Hey, can we just get, would you take one with...
It's a video, so everything they say is silly, man.
Mine almost
Put the camera away, we're throwing.
longest flight, buddy.
I want a lineup.
Everybody has to line up right
I want a lineup.
here. Dax, come stand by me.
Hey, hey, hey.
Everybody has to line up next to
Okay,
the back wheel.
ready?
Okay. We're all gonna throw at the same time to see who's
Why
Well,
not?
all the
Why
camera
not?
can see is your backside.
Okay, ready, set, and...
Hey, Miss Ann,
Hey.
you're in the video.
Yeah.
Are you gonna throw yours?
I don't have one.
You don't have one?
No,
Oh.
I win.
Hey, wait, we all have to do it at the same time so the video...
Well, mine came back
That
to
was
me,
awesome,
so.
Laura.
Okay, Dax, will you say 3, 2, 1, and when we say 1, we'll throw it, okay? Stand by us. Come, you're throwing
Come
too.
get live.
Wow, that was sad.
Little anticlimactic. You forgot to draw yours. Yeah, Jane.
I'll take a picture of you, Miss Ann. We just gotta get the video.
Oh.
You have to wait till everyone's ready.
awesome.
Okay, here we go. Wait, Grandma doesn't have his.
Grandma has one.
We've got to stand in the line.
The blue one won.
Oh, this is the distance? Well, I think the distance.
We're going airtime.
Just awesome.
Aw, you lose.
Watch this.
Nice, Ray.
Yeah, you did great.
Oh, that did a triple it.
I get it right on the mom's head every time. That had good aim time, right?
Oh. Here we go.
Let's do a war. Like if you stand across from each other and try to make your planes hit each other.
There's no war in Canada. They're designed to.
Come back to you.
Watch this.
You're trying to get it on the roof?
Yeah, then I'll get
I don't
Keep
have.
trying, Dex.
Look, buddy, I don't have a ladder, so throw.
Hey, Dax, I'm gonna fight with you. Ready?
Oh.
Oh, you got another
Got a
haircut.
bald spot, bud.
Oh.
Baby didn't step on his plane.
Oh, man, somebody got me. Oh,
Here, Dex.
Came back
Mark
with
this
a
big
piece of
stick and mark it down. Here.
Hey, Miss Ann, did you see
Here,
the
Dex. Do you want to
flowers?
get my plane down with this
yes, and I
stick?
took a beautiful picture of them yesterday.
Boom. Good job.
I
You
took
did
a
it.
picture of it with cute
Here it
flowers.
comes, William.
Here we go.
Did you see that? I threw it
It
out of
just
myself.
landed
Wow.
right by you.
That's impressive.
Nah, not that time.
We got the first one on video. Dex, you're gonna pull down my pants.
Make sure you get it on camera,
Yeah,
Laura.
nothing we want to see on video. You don't want what? Okay, then just say.
Hey, everyone's got to come over here because that's the camera. You can't see you throwing it over there.
Ready?
Wow, you're
Look, Dex, ours are friends. They're right next to each other.
Watch, I'm gonna do
We
it.
all won.
I'm gonna do it around your head. Oh, now you're gone. Whoa,
Oh,
wrong
yours
way.
turns good.
Yeah.
Mine doesn't. They yours.
Yeah?
Whoops, sorry.
So watch this. It's like I'm gonna throw it to you, but it goes
The other
that
way.
Nice.
That's what happens.
way.
Sometimes it comes back. Oh, mine didn't work. Cool.
Woo!
It's in a little
I
bit.
almost went down a
Almost
little
bad.
wrong time.
Oh, that was like awesome.
Super impressive.
Mine did it.
Yeah.
I won. I won my two measure of the water tank.
Oh my gosh.
See that, babe?
Awesome, Bray.
I have to run as hard as you can.
Watch this. Watch this one.
Oh! Watch it.
The wind saved that.
Oh.
Oh, no, that went nowhere.
Here, baby.
Oh.
Dex keeps hitting me.
Here we go.
Hey!
Oh, nice.
I
Was that
got
yours, Grace?
Mommy.
I thought that was last.
Perfect.
Where's yours?
Oh yeah, mine's really good at turning.
Yeah.
See, watch. I want to
Where
throw
did
it
it
towards
go?
Dad.
Wow.
I'm gonna throw it this way, but it's gonna go to Laura.
It's getting a little chilly out
Oh,
here.
kind of.
You getting a little chilly?
Mhm.
Oh.
have to take some flash.
Mine too.
I almost shaved your face.
They glide really well.
Yeah.
The harder I throw it down, though, the more it wants to go up.
It's your flat.
Oh, I tried that and I checked it at the ground and it just went down to the ground.
That's like a dart.
Glad.
You're welcome. Now try. Now see if it'll go, Jax.
Wow.
Oh, pretty, Laura.
Thank
Whoa.
you.
That's the other way.
Hey, you're missing your wings. You lost your wings, Donatello.
Don't step on
Hey,
it. Oh, you did. I just tried to help you.
I didn't know what you were doing.
Yeah.
Mommy, say mine. Mommy.
I was watching down.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness. I will rescue
nice.
it. You're right. That's a pokey bush.
Oh,
Rescue.
A crow.
I tried. It doesn't.
you
fly.
need to put
The
it on.
squoof, the raven, nevermore.
Put your wings on.
I'm gonna miss this backyard.
Oh yeah.
I know.
I love
You
it.
guys not have another one?
We're living in
I
a park.
want my wings.
Isn't there like a
Oh yeah, there's
outdoor
tons of
Let's
place?
Yeah, there's
take
tons.
off.
It's just
Oh,
like
I got grandma.
oh.
It just goes back and forth.
I can kind of hear.
Okay, I'm not
Ooh, nice
See the airplanes?
one.
Flew right to Grandpa.
3, 2, 1.
Take off.
Mine's better
The
than
blue
Laura's.
one is so good.
Watch this one. Dax, watch this one. Watch. There it goes. Ready, set. Oh,
Good one.
Yes.
that was awesome.
Dax, way to go.
It's gonna whoop you.
That was a good one too.
But I think you're best.
Yeah.
I can throw it to myself.
Yeah. Airplanes are outside.
Shoot.
If you can get
Oh,
it,
that's
you're
the
the best.
best thing. Oh, that didn't work.
Hi, Gwen.
Alright. Oh, never mind.
Oh. Look that way. Airplanes. Straight to
Look,
the ground.
Gwenny. 1, 2.
Here, Gwen.
Oh, mine didn't work.
1, 2.
Awesome blue one.
1, 2.
Oh, that. Ooh.
Wow.
I call it the hover.
I call mine is Ooter.
The
Oh,
Ooter.
Grandpa
I
got
like it.
hit.
Yes, the Ooter fell. Oh, I fell in the beanbag.
Whoa.
It doesn't.
Wow, it got to the fish line. It got to the fish line.
Oh!
Oh,
that was
upside
close.
down.
It has half the fish.
You want to throw it? 1.
Mine had the finish line. Mine had the finish line.
Yay.
This thing's the finish line. I
What?
went right on this
You wanna go get one?
sticky grass.
1,
Ready, set, go.
3.
I got over.
Can I go get it? Yeah.
Get to the stop.
Want to throw one, Gwen? 1,
Throw it.
2.
Yay!
Ah! Let's go too fast.
Fixed it.
Stop and go.
Oh, thanks. Gwenny.
Oh, wow. Was that
You want to
yours?
throw it, my
You
Gwen?
fixed it.
That's awesome.
Oh,
Sorry, Gwen.
yay, Gwen! Ow.
You gonna do it again? There it is. There it is.
Mom,
Ah.
you broke it with the camera. Mom, it's camera shy. Look at it.
Whoa!
Sorry.
Guys, watch this. Watch this, guys.
Smile for you, Grandma.
Watch this, guys.
Watching.
I broke it.
Gaga.
A
Oh,
funny smile.
Gaga.
You can go in the car.
I'll take Grandpa.
Hi. Car.
Oh, it went under the bushes. Mama, under the
Glad we
bushes.
got that on video.
With-
Ew. Horrifying, I'm sure.
It was like sun and comfort, but then it wasn't coming. And you're like,
I'm like,
What
is
is
this
it
gonna
gonna
hit
hit?
me? Then I'm like, I should have just
Hi.
moved.
What am I pointing at?
Under the bush? You can get it.
No, it's so open there.
No, it's
No, it is open.
Lava's bending over.
Why is Cody under there?
Oh.
Oh, see? Bye. Ready?
Key. Yep, there's your key.
Sorry, I'm sorry. That was a big accident. I know I shouldn't do that. Sorry.
That was a good one.
I watched this one.
Okay.
Girl.
Whoa!
That looked pretty cool.
Yes! I needed a